Hey everyone! It's Green Waifu here to explore some fantastic opportunities in the online job market. Today, I'm going to dive into a topic that's always in demand: online jobs that pay well and require no prior experience. For all of you eager to earn without a lengthy job history, these roles might just be the perfect fit. So, let's unravel these wonderful job prospects together. Virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is like being the go-to support for various tasks without having to be physically present in an office. It's a flexible opportunity that's in high demand. You'll find yourself assisting professionals or businesses with a range of tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, conducting basic research, and handling social media accounts. The beauty of this role is that it allows you to leverage skills you probably already have or can easily develop. Despite what you might assume, a virtual assistant gig doesn't necessarily require an extensive range of skills. What's essential is having a positive attitude, great organizational capabilities, and strong communication skills. A motivated and organized individual can go a long way in this job. The best part? Many clients are willing to train individuals on the job, easing the barrier to entry. In terms of earning potential, the pay for virtual assistants can vary widely. On average, the pay can start from around $15 per hour, but experienced virtual assistants with specialized skills or serving high-end clients might earn significantly more, often well into the $25 to $50 per hour range. This flexibility and potential for a higher income make it an enticing opportunity. There are numerous platforms where virtual assistant positions are available. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and Indeed often list a variety of virtual assistant jobs. Many businesses and professionals post such openings there. Sometimes you might also find opportunities on industry-specific job boards or social media platforms like LinkedIn, which can be a goldmine for professional connections and job opportunities. The job can vary in commitment level from short-term projects to long-term commitments, providing ample options to match your availability and interest. Content writer. Love expressing yourself through words? Content writing might be your golden gateway into the world of online jobs. Now, you might worry that only literary geniuses or wordsmiths fit the bill for this job. But the truth is, as long as you can articulate ideas clearly and engage readers, you're already on the path to success. Here's the thing about content writing: it's diverse. You can find opportunities writing blog posts, articles, product descriptions, social media content, and more. It's not just about fancy words. It's about crafting information that's easily understood and captures the audience's attention. Think of it as your words creating a conversation with the reader, sharing knowledge or entertaining them in some way. One of the fantastic parts about content writing is the flexibility and abundance of opportunities. Many clients or businesses seek content creators to help them craft engaging material for their websites, blogs, or social media platforms. It's an open field where your creativity and style can shine. Now let's talk figures. While earnings in the content writing realm can vary, on average, a beginner content writer can earn around $15 to $30 per hour. With experience and a strong portfolio, your earning potential can increase to $50 or more per hour. If you're thinking in terms of projects, for instance, creating a blog post or an article, you might earn $50 to $150 or more per piece. And here's the kicker: the more you specialize in a niche or build a name for yourself, the higher you can charge for your services. Imagine earning for something you love doing: writing. Building a strong portfolio is crucial for any content writer. If you're new to the field, starting a blog on platforms like WordPress or even creating a writing portfolio, showcasing your best pieces can significantly increase your chances of landing jobs. Think of it as your showcase of skills to your potential clients. Don't hesitate to reach out to various websites, businesses, or marketing agencies. Many of them frequently seek content writers to boost their online presence. Social media manager. Are you the social media guru among your friends, constantly curating engaging posts or coming up with catchy captions? Ever thought of turning your passion for social media into a well-paying job? The position of a social media manager is all about leveraging your expertise to handle a company's online presence. It's a role that not only requires creativity, but also offers a viable income without the need for prior formal experience. In this role, you'd be in charge of managing various aspects of a company's social media platforms. From Facebook to Instagram, Twitter, and more, your tasks would include creating and scheduling content, engaging with the audience by responding to comments and messages, analyzing the performance of posts, and devising strategies to grow the company's online presence. While no official experience is required, having a keen eye for trending content and an understanding of your audience's preferences is crucial to captivate the online community. The best part? Entry-level social media management positions are widely available across various industries, from startups to established corporations, and also as freelance or contract work. The pay for a social media manager can vary depending on factors like the employer, the level of responsibility, and your experience. Entry-level social media positions often pay between $15 to $30 per hour, while more experienced managers can earn upwards of $50 to $100 per hour, or secure salaried positions ranging from $40,000 to $70,000 annually. Online tutoring. Whether you're an expert in math, languages, or music, your knowledge can be turned into an excellent online tutoring opportunity. Online tutoring provides a great opportunity to earn money. The earnings depend on various factors, such as your expertise, qualifications, the platform you're using, and the demand for the subject you're teaching. Tutors can earn from $14 to $22 per hour, or even more based on your experience and performance. Certain platforms offer more competitive pay rates, while others provide incentives or bonuses for high-quality work or consistent performance. As an online tutor, your main responsibility is to guide and teach students in your subject area. This could involve conducting live video sessions, preparing and delivering lessons, and assessing students' progress. Apart from teaching, you may need to provide feedback, guidance, and support to your students. There are numerous platforms available for online tutoring, such as Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, and many more. Some platforms specialize in specific subjects like math, languages, or science, while others provide a broader range of subjects. These platforms typically allow tutors to create a profile highlighting their skills and experience, and then they match students to tutors based on their needs. The most appealing aspect of online tutoring is its accessibility. Most platforms have straightforward requirements for becoming a tutor. Basic qualifications usually include a college degree, or sometimes even just proficient knowledge in a subject area. You don't necessarily need teaching certification, but having it could make you more competitive. The sign-up process is user-friendly and generally quick, allowing you to start teaching in a short amount of time. A significant advantage of online tutoring is its flexibility. You can schedule your sessions according to your availability. It's especially great for students, part-time workers, or stay-at-home parents seeking a side income or making a career out of it. The ability to work remotely from anywhere in the world is a huge bonus. These platforms give you all the tools and resources needed to effectively teach online. They often offer lesson plans, teaching materials, and sometimes technical support, making the whole tutoring process convenient for both tutor and student. With a plethora of subjects and platforms to choose from, the possibilities for online tutoring are vast, allowing you to find a niche that aligns with your expertise and passions. Data entry. When you hear data entry, it may not sound like the most thrilling job, but it's a fantastic starting point for your online work journey. This role typically involves inputting information into systems, spreadsheets, or databases. Yes, it requires accuracy, patience, and an eye for detail, but it's simpler than you might imagine. It's a position that doesn't demand specialized skills, making it accessible for many entry-level workers looking to step into the online job market. The remuneration in data entry varies but is often quite lucrative, especially for those just starting in the online job market. Depending on the complexity and volume of work, an individual can earn around $10 to $20 per hour or more. Freelancing websites regularly feature data entry job postings from various companies seeking assistance in managing their data. Some businesses might offer fixed rates per project or entry, while others could pay an hourly rate. This versatility allows you to pick the jobs that fit your schedule and income expectations. In data entry, your main duty is to input, manage, and organize information into databases or spreadsheets. You might be required to handle a range of information, from addresses and contact details to inventory or financial records. The work often involves typing, organizing, and occasionally doing some basic verification. Sometimes, employers may ask for specific software familiarity, though basic computer skills are often the primary requirement. Accuracy and attention to detail are key skills that you'll be using regularly. The beauty of data entry is that there are numerous entry points. Freelance job platforms like those mentioned earlier are gold mines for such positions. Companies looking for remote workers often post job opportunities on these platforms. Additionally, remote job boards or specialized websites focusing on virtual work list a plethora of data entry openings. Keep an eye out for legitimate opportunities that align with your interests and expertise. And that's it. 5 online jobs that pay well and require no experience. Although these aren't notoriously high-paying jobs that may lead to lifelong careers, these are great opportunities for you to get your foot in the door, build experience, and develop skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.